Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to create folder in Google Drive. Friends, folder help us to organize our data and it's very easy to make folder in Google Drive. So to make folder you simply need to open web browser and here open drive.google.com. Now in your Google Drive account you can either click on new and here you will find option to create new folder, or you can simply click on my drive and here also you will find option to create new folder. Click on new folder. Now give a name to your folder. I am giving name documents. After giving name, click on create. Now friends, our new folder is created. Double click to open the folder. Now to add files, you simply need to drag and drop the files from your system. Like I pick a file from my desktop and drop it in the newly created folder. Our file is uploaded in the new folder. So friends, like this you can very easily create a new folder in Google Drive. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.